Hi everyone, welcome to Unstop, your one-stop solution for landing your dream internship. And if you're a techie who's tired of endless scrolling and still feeling confused, I've got some good news for you. The struggle ends today because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can find your dream tech internship on Unstop. All you have to do is search for unstop.com on your browser, and once you're on the home page, head to the internship section. You can select your desired role and quick apply in the filters. The stipend can be sorted from high to low. And now these are some of the top internship opportunities currently available on the Unstop platform. And yes, some of these roles offer stipend of up to 65,000 a month. You can just click on your desired opportunity. And when you click on an opportunity, you can view all the internship details like the role, responsibilities, the duration, everything. If this matches with your interest and skills, you can head to quick apply. All you need to do is fill in your basic details like your name, contact information, and upload your resume. Click on next, and just like that, your application is successfully submitted. And the best part, you can track your application status anytime through your Unstop dashboard. Simple, organized, and stress free. All the best.